Martinez. Bob, you haven't competed since Brazil. You've missed two events. Yeah. What brings you to New York?
Hey, well, first of all, I like to say, and the ASP are gonna find me because I want to be a part of this fucking dumb wannabe tennis tour. All these pro surfers want to be tennis players and want to do a halfway cutoff. How the fuck is somebody who's not even competing against our caliber surfers ahead of 100 of us on the one world ratings? They never been here. They've never fucking made the right to surf against us. But now we're ranked upon them. Come on now. Bullshit. That's why I ain't going to these stupid contests no more. This is the last one because FTW, my sponsor's here. And I always tell like it is. This is my last one. And I don't like tennis. I don't like the tour. Too many surfers. Oh, I want to sign a dog play there. Who gives a fuck? You know what I mean?
Hold on, Bobby. Don't run away yet. I know you're fired up right now. Aside from the tournament, it's first time to New York?
Nah, I've been here before. I love this city. I love the city. I'll tell you right now, if my sponsor were here, I wouldn't be here for this dumb contest. ASP, they fucking...